You may not have thought that by simply putting pork in boiling water and cooking it, it could become a must-try dish in a big hotel. It is fragrant and tender, nutritious and delicious. Adults and children alike love to eat it. Start by preparing 8 yuan's worth of pork belly. Cut it in half lengthwise and then slice it thinly. The thinner, the better. After cutting, place the slices in water and wash them thoroughly to remove the fishy smell and any blood. Then drain the water and transfer the meat to another bowl. Add salt, pepper, and pre-soaked spring onion and ginger water. Mix well to allow the meat to absorb the seasoning. Then add 1 egg white, which further tenderizes the meat. Let it marinate for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a small bowl and add 50 grams of sweet potato starch. Gradually pour in boiling water, mixing as you go to fully dissolve the starch. The sticky texture of sweet potato starch is enhanced by hot water. Stir until smooth, like shown in the video, then pour it into the marinated meat slices and mix well, set aside for later use. Prepare a few frozen tomatoes and a handful of dried bean curd sheets. Pour hot water over the tomatoes and let them sit for 2 minutes so the skin peels off easily. After peeling, cut the tomatoes into small pieces and set them aside on a plate. Prepare some small leafy vegetables or baby bok choy. After washing, gently smash them with the flat side of a knife. Add the soaked bean curd sheets to the plate. Heat some oil, then saute chopped green onion and garlic. Add the chopped tomatoes and stir-fry on high heat. Add some water and season with oyster sauce, salt, and sugar to balance the acidity. Stir well, cover, and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, add the bean curd sheets and vegetables. Cover the pot and boil for another 2 minutes. Prepare another pot with hot water. Don't bring it to a rolling boil. Carefully add the marinated pork slices one by one. Do not stir immediately. Let them set. After about a minute, gently push them with a spatula so they cook evenly. Once the meat is cooked, transfer it directly to the casserole. Let everything boil together for 1 more minute. Finally, sprinkle with chopped green onions and it's ready to serve. The tomato and pork combination is super delicious. The meat is tender, so tender that even a baby with no teeth could eat it. The soup is sour, appetizing, and rich in flavor. The recipe is also super simple. If you like it, save it and try it at home.